Hello students, today we'll discuss our last exercise of chapter number 4, that is exercise 4.4. Our first question is, give the geometric representation of y is equals to 3 as an equation in one variable and in two variable. So here it is y is equals to 3. We'll simply draw a line, and here what we will do, as we used to draw a number line, similarly we will do here in one variable. As it is one variable, so we'll simply draw a number line. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here -1, -2, -3 and -4. So this point is representing y is equals to 3. Fine. So in two variables, y is equals to 3 represents a straight line passing through the point 0, 3. When x is 0, y is equals to 3, that line will represent y is equals to 3, because here variable x is not there, that means x is 0 and parallel to x-axis. It is a collection of all points of the plane having their y coordinate as 3. So our graph this will represent here. We'll draw the y-axis and x-axis, and where y is equals to 3, we'll draw a line parallel to the x-axis, and this line will represent y is equals to 3. Fine. Now proceed towards question number 2, that is similar to the first one. Give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 is equals to 0 as an equation in one variable and in two variables. So in one variable, 2x plus 9 is equals to 0 represents a point x is equals to minus 4.5. Why minus 4.5? Because this 9, if goes over this side of equals to, then it becomes negative, and 9 by 2 is 4.5. So x is equals to 4.5. So we'll draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, and here x is -4.5. so here x is -4.5. so this point represents 2x plus 9 is equals to 0. And in two variables, 2x plus 9 is equals to 0 represents a straight line passing through the point -4.5, because here x is equals to -4.5 and y variable is not there, so y is equals to 0 and parallel to the y-axis. It is the collection of all points of the plane having their x coordinate as -4.5. So we'll draw the graph as this is our y-axis, this is our x-axis. So x is equals to -4.5 is here. So this line will represent our equation which is parallel to the y-axis. So this is all about our this chapter. Thank you.